Think it's a bit strange that they're having us do their smuggling?
Marlene wanted to do it herself. We weren't their first choice. Or the second, for that matter. She's lost a lot of men. Beggars can't be choosers.
I just hope there's someone alive to pay us.
Someone will be around. Come on.
Shit. Who's waiting for us at the drop-off?
She said there's some fireflies that have traveled all the way from another city. The girl must be important. What is the deal with you? You some bigwig's daughter or something?
Something like that. How long is this all gonna take?
If everything goes as planned, we should get you to them in a few hours. Ella, once we get out there, I need you to follow our lead and stay close.
Yeah, of course.
Now hold up. There's a patrol up ahead. All right. We're good. Come on up. Come on, kid. Watch your step. This rain ain't gonna do us any good.
Holy shit. I'm actually outside.
Up this way.
Don't do anything stupid.
Move.
Turn around, on your knees. You scan him, I'll call it in.
All right. Put your hands on your head.
This is Ramirez at Sector 12, requesting pickup for 3 stragglers. Understood.
Look the other way. I can make this worth your while.
Shut up. Tired of this shit.
Mm-hmm.
What's the ETA?
Couple minutes.
Oh, fuck. I thought we were just gonna hold him up or something.
Oh, shit. Look.
Jesus Christ. Marlene set us up? Why the hell are we smuggling an infected girl?
I'm not infected.
No? Was this lying?
I can explain.
You better explain fast.
Look at this.
I don't care how you got infected.
It's 3 weeks old.
No, everyone turns within 2 days, so you stop bullshitting.
It's 3 weeks. I swear. Why would she set you up?
I ain't buying it. Oh, shit. Tess, run. Run!
Go! Go! Move! I got 2 dead uniforms. Follow me. Quickly. When I give you the signal, we run.
Signal. Run. Got it.
Now, run. Stay away from those lights. Ellie, it's gonna be another sprint. You ready?
Sure. Yeah.
God damn it. They're everywhere.
Soldiers, right there.
I see him.
We must have gotten through. Set the grid.
Just stay back.
Don't see anything down there. Are we sure they came this way? Well, otherwise, keep scanning.
Stay down, don't let him see you.
Come on, kid. Follow Joel.
You see anything?
Clear back here. Have a look up ahead.
So far, so good. I hear him up ahead.
Hold up.
Shit, stay here.
Go, go.
We can get through here. Down.
Come on, Ellie. Shit, another patrol. Everybody get down.
There's so many of them out here. Oh, shit. They're in here with us.
Tess, you got any idea which way?
Yeah, this looks right. Stay close.
Charlie Squad, report.
At least we're out of the
Still on the
way.
loose, sir. Break off pursuit and report back to Sector 11.
I don't think they see us.
Acknowledge. Get to your vehicle.
Stay in the shadows. Tess, up through here through this pipe. I think we can make it through here.
Stay very close, Sally.
Okay.
Whoa. Jesus.
Gather up. Calling us back. Returning to the wall. You heard the man. Load on up. Let's go.
Come on. All right, they're gone.
What was the plan? Let's say that we deliver you to the Fireflies. What then?
Marlene, she said that they have their own little quarantine zone with doctors there still trying to find a cure.
Yeah, we've heard that before, huh, Tess?
And that whatever happened to me is the key to finding a vaccine.
Oh, Jesus.
That's what she said.
Oh, I'm sure she did.
Hey, fuck you, man. I didn't ask for this.
Me neither. Tess, what the hell are we doing here?
What if it's true?
I can't...
What if, Joel? I mean, we've come this far. Let's just finish it.
Do I need to remind you what is out there?
I get it. This way. If we cut through downtown, we can hit the Capitol building by sunrise.
We hope.
Holy moly. I guess this is what these buildings look like with closed. They're so damn tall. So what happened? What the hell was that?
Tess, you hear that?
Yeah. Sounded pretty far away, though.
Are we safe?
For now. Come on.
Well, there's the Capitol building.
I need to get around this now.
Over here. You find anything over there?
No.
Keep looking. You just stay close to her for now. Hey, Tess?
Coming. This has been ripped apart. Body's pretty fresh.
Is that bad?
Let's not stick around. Another one. Shit.
What's wrong with its face?
But years of infection will do to you.
So what, are they blind?
Sort of. They see using sound. Like bats. If you hear one clicking, you gotta hide. That's how they spot you.
The building feels like it's about to fall apart. Watch your head.
Totally cool. Everything is totally cool.
Give me a hand with this. Thanks.
You alright?
It's nothing.
Let's search for supplies.
Shit. Oh, that was intense.
Here, patch yourself up.
Appreciate it. Let's get the hell out of here. Oh boy. Just see if there's a way through.
It's clear. Come on, Ellie.
All right, kid, you're up.
Come on.
You got it.
Okay. Come on, big guy. Let's go. Clickers?
Shit, go.
Fucking face.
Over through here.
I think that's it. Ellie, you okay?
Other than shitting my pants, I'm fine.
Give me a second. There you go, ladies.
All right. Come on.
The stairwell's blocked. Should we go back up?
This is crazy. Just don't look down.
Are you serious?
Come on, Ellie.
Yeah. Don't look down.
You're okay. We got away from it. Runners.
I'll go check it out. Stay with the girl. All right, come on up.
I'm impressed, Joel.
Let's just get out of here.
All right, hold on. See? Doing all right? Down we go.
Yeah, let's get to it. You get through here. Watch your back.
You know what I was thinking? After we get back, we can take it easy for a little while.
You want to take it easy.
Hey, you're the one always going on about laying low.
And you always brush me off.
Well, not this time.
I believe it when I see it. Through here.
Joel, over here. Look at his sleeve. Firefly.
Yep. These guys aren't doing well in or out of the city. Now let's hope there's someone alive place to drop off.
They're not our guys.
Over there, see him?
Shit. God, we're almost out. Okay, Joel, you take point. I'll watch the rear. Ellie, no matter what, you stay right on his heels.
Sure.